It is so gooey. Hey, Ohana, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites. Please, you guys, please follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making an edible strawberry gooey, ooey, sticky slime. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this slime. But for all those who want to shout out for Tuesday, stay tuned to the end of the video for the emoji game. So you guys, let's go make this slime. So you guys, you want to start off with the 16 bag of regular marshmallows. Now this is 16 ounces, but I'm just going to use half the marshmallows. So I'm just going to add them to this microwavable safe container. You can use any container you like. Just make sure it's microwavable safe, and you can put it in the microwave so you don't burn any of your other containers. Now I'm just going to use oil. I used about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm pretty much going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, maybe 60, depending on your microwave wattage. It would be anywhere between 30 seconds to 60, so don't go over that so you don't burn your microwave. Now that I mixed the oil in, I'm going to add a heaping huge tablespoon of strawberry frosting. So I'm going to add that in to my marshmallow fluff. So once I add that in, we're just going to mix that in until it's combined. So you really want to mix in that that strawberry frosting really well, and make sure it's strawberry because this tastes just like strawberry milk. I'm telling you, it tastes just like strawberry milk. It is really good. So you just want to make sure your color of your marshmallow is no longer white. So if you're deciding to make this for friends or family, you can be like, hey, this is strawberry slime, and they'd be like, well, how did you make it? And you don't have to tell them the secret, don't worry. So once you've mixed in all that oil, we're going to add powdered sugar to parchment paper, or you can use freezer paper, whatever. Just make sure you add some parchment paper or freezer paper down so you don't get any of your tables sticky, or like an oven mitt, not an oven mitt, but like something that will help you. So now I'm going to add a cup of powdered sugar to this fluff, and what I'm essentially doing is like when you do pizza, you knead it. Well, I'm kneading this with a spoon. So if you guys have ever had like Thai roll, like I think it's Thai roll ice cream, and they use those little I think those are like little spatulas to make the Thai roll ice cream. That's essentially what I'm doing with the spoon. And if you've never ever had Thai roll ice cream, just search it on Instagram, search it here on YouTube, and you'll see what I kind of mean. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So once I've used this fork to mix in all the powdered sugar, it is almost done. But I will say, if you guys don't know how to use a fork to do this, just go ahead and use your hands. It's just to be really sticky, so you want to add more oil. So now what you guys see me doing is I'm about to add canola oil. Olive oil may be a little strong, so I'm going to add some to my hands. I'm going to rub it in with my hands, and I'm going to play with it. Oh my God. And you guys are going to see me eat it at the end of the video. So I want to thank you so much for watching this edible strawberry slime DIY. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys. In the video, the slime was really sticky, but what I realized the next day, once you put it in oil, it's less sticky, you guys. So that's the tip. Oh, and when you put it in the oil, like leave it open, like let some air get into it so it can be less sticky, because this slime is so not sticky anymore. But let's eat it. Here we go. Oh my God, it's so sticky. Oh. So emoji game really hard but easy at the same time, because I know a lot of you have different type of phones. I'm starting to realize that, and a lot of people have Android, and I just moved up to an iPhone. Y'all, I save for that iPhone. I'm not one of them rich YouTubers, okay, the ones with the 7 and 8 million subscribers. I'm at the bottom of the totem pole here, and I don't have a slime shop, so you know, I'm barely making it. I'm barely making it. Someday, you know, I'll do a giveaway of an iPhone, but now it's not those times. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to make it easy, and we're going to try to, you know, make it. So here we go. 1 happy face emoji, 2 sad face emoji, 3 clown emojis, all the heart colors but 2 blues. So you have to do all the colors of the hearts but 2 blues. After that, I want a flower, any type of flower. I want a hospital, I want a car, I want a house. I also want a dollar, because y'all know I'm trying to get my Roblox dollars up from my live streams. So thanks for all the super chats. I love you guys so much. Also, I want a baby, because y'all know for Sonomi baby. Also, I would like to see balloons. I want a birthday cake. I want a sushi. And then I want a puking emoji face. And then I want the heart eye emoji face. And that's it, okay? I hope I made it really easy and sort of helped everybody who doesn't have the sort of emojis. So I hope you guys get all those emojis. Also, the question of the day is, what back to school videos would you like to see? If you would like to see any back to school videos, what would they be? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And remember, you have to play the emoji game and answer the question, you guys. Also, don't rush through it, because not a lot of people are, you know, playing. So calm down. Take it easy. Do it. You can do it. I have faith in y'all. Some of y'all are crying, complaining because you're saying it's hard, but it's really easy if you take the time. I believe in you. Good luck. The first 3 or 4 people who get it right plus answer the question will get a shout out Tuesday on my Instagram in the video, as well as my Snapchat. So I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.